Who hasn't looked up to the stars and asked the question, are we alone? With such a vast universe, surely we are not the only living creatures in it. Welcome authors to Next Level Writing, and this is How to Write Aliens. Before we begin, remember to like, subscribe and share this channel. A big thank you to Amalia and Sky for helping me out and suggesting this video. If you have a request, let me know in the comment section below. Now let's go to Area 51. Aliens are creatures not from our planet and have the potential to be different to humans in every way. To provide guidance on how to write about aliens, we will first look at writing genres that contain aliens and then discuss how aliens may look. Lastly, we will touch on some themes that may be helpful. First off, the genre. Science fiction, or sci-fi, is a genre that focuses on technology or technological advances. For humans to encounter aliens, it would be necessary for the aliens or us to have the technology to travel through space. For this reason, when writing about aliens, the author must also consider the technology that would exist. This technology must be described so that the reader understands how humans and aliens come to meet. Within science fiction, there are a number of subgenres that exist that contain aliens. In this video, we will focus on three: alien invasion, alien encounter, and colonization. First, alien invasion. This subgenre asks the question, what if a race of aliens came to conquer Earth? When writing an alien invasion story, the author has various options as to what to write about. These options include the weapons the aliens use, the motive for the invasion, and how humans will respond. Most importantly, the driving force for the plot is the question, will the human race fight off the invasion, or will the aliens be victorious? The next subgenre of sci-fi that focuses on aliens is alien encounter. In this subgenre, human beings encounter aliens for the first time, and the writing focuses on the initial interaction between the two species. A challenge that must be addressed in this subgenre is communication. How will the humans and aliens communicate with one another? When answering this question, professional authors use the difficulty of communication as a way to build tension. Another common feature of an alien encounter story is the military. The military has a key role to play in building tension, as they are often the ones that are of the opinion that the aliens have sinister intentions. This tension, more often than not, results in an action of hostility that must be diffused by the protagonist. The third subgenre is colonization. Colonization stories involve human beings settling on new planets and developing structures in their new environment. On planets that can support human life, there are most likely alien life forms that people must interact with. Similarly to alien encounter, colonization stories often have a military presence and individuals who have hidden agendas. It is vital that when writing colonization stories that the author reveals these agendas and make them the driving force of the plot. Once you have selected the genre, you are at the fun part, appearance. The selection of a genre will help define the appearance of the aliens you are writing about. For example, if you are writing about an alien invasion, the aliens may have menacing features like claws, fangs, or limbs that are designed to inflict damage. If you are writing about an encounter, the aliens may be less threatening with features that are more weird than dangerous. One of the best ways to bring your alien to life is to take the time to draw them during the planning process. While drawing, think about how your alien exists. How will they move, eat, sleep? How will they interact with one another and other beings? What features will make them unique? After the appearance of your alien is decided on, it is time to think about potential subjects and themes. Funnily enough, a good place to start are the historical stories of our past. Many of the scenarios that have occurred in our history could be reworked to include aliens. For example, in the subgenre colonization, a number of events are likely to happen. Since acts of colonization have occurred numerous times in history, it is possible that these events would unfold similarly if aliens were involved. Some other subjects that could inspire themes include intolerance, diversity, peace, war, humanity, exploration, and life. And that's that. Aliens in a nutshell. Remember to like and subscribe, and as always, keep taking your writing to the next level.